Hello everyone, on this lecture I will show you how you can use Git to rebase on main branch. And what does it mean, Git rebase? We'll show you on the next slide. By the way, some companies require you to use this strategy always. Okay, let's assume we have Git repository and we have developer 1, let's say. He cloning repository, main branch, getting all the commits from it, and he need to fix some bug. So he created new branch called, for example, fix bug 1. It's cloning all the commits, and he start working on this on fixing the bug. And it can take, just he doing some commits and it's just working. On the same time, another developer cloning Git repository, main branch, and start working on another bug. So basically he creating branch fix bug 2, for example. It's cloning all the commits and he start working on fixing bug 2. Making some few commits on this presentation, just only one commit, for example. So he created a commit called fixed error 2 and he pushing all his changes to Git repository. He making pull request to ask somebody to review his code. He want to merge his branch fix bug 2 to main. And finally, he doing merge into the main branch. After it, he switched to the main branch and execute command git pull in order to get all the commits. And after this, he can delete his branch fix bug 2. What's happening right now? That developer 1, this guy, needs these fixes. He really needs these changes. But his branch fix bug 1 is based on version 2, on this commit basically. He cloned it on this stage and he adding some commits here. So what he need to do, he need to rebase his branch in order to get all the updates in the main. So this is what he need to do. First he need to commit all his work up until now here. He switched to the main branch. He execute command git pull to get the latest updates. So he getting this commit fixed error 2. Now he switch back to his fix bug 1 branch and execute command called git rebase main. And this command will take all the commits on the main branch, which is not exist here, and will add them, rebase them basically. So now all the commits which this developer did, basically they located here, not here. The base right now is located here. He rebased his branch. After it, he fixing his error, he adding additional commit, he pushing his branch to the GitHub, creating pull request, somebody review, and finally merge his pull request. Developer switch back to the main branch and execute command git pull to basically get all the updates. After this, he can delete his local branch. And this guy, if he need to work, continue to work, he just need to execute command git pull again and to get all the commits. What we will do in this tutorial is exactly what I show you here. We will have two developers. They will clone same repository. One will work on one error, another one will work in another error, and one developer will need to rebase his branch. Okay, let's switch to the terminal and work on it. Okay, so one developer will work from Linux, another developer will work from Windows. I created new repository, new remote repository called demo3. There's some files here. 2 commits in total was pushed to here. You see in total 2 commits. One commit with message version 1, the second one version 2, so all good. I already cloned this repository. So here are all the files, git pull, all up to date, all good. Alright, let's create a new branch, because I'm right now in git branch main. Git checkout -b fix bug 1. Yeah, same. By the way, we don't need this quotes. Fix bug 1. Same here. Let's edit something. I will edit file number 1 and fixing some issue here. I don't know. Fixed some issue here. Developer 1. Git commit -am fixing bug 1. I'm still didn't fix it, I'm just fixing it. Okay, you see, I already have one commit here, but I'm not going to push it to repository. I'm still working on it. Yeah, this developer still working on it. Now let's switch to our developer in Windows. Okay, my developer on Windows, you see you're using PowerShell. So here all the files, git branch, we're in the main branch, git pull, everything is here. Git log, as you can see, we have only version 1, version 2. Good. So this developer going to create his own branch, git checkout -b fix bug 2. Okay, and let's notepad up 3. All right, let's write here something. Fix it some bug 2 in this file. This is basically, it's kind of, I'm just simulating something. Okay, let's save it. All good, good. Git status. Okay, let's git commit -am. Fix it bug 2. Woohoo! And let's push it to repository. Yeah, let's execute this command. Okay, fix bug 2. All right, let's switch to our GitHub. I'm on GitHub. You see, fix bug 2 just recently pushed. Compare and pull. Fix it bug 2. Okay. Create pull request. We can see what those changes. Changes was this line was added into the file up 3. Nice. Good. Good job. Really good job. We can confirm merge. Okay, we can delete this branch from here. All good. Fix it bug. Okay. Now the developer on Linux need these changes. He need release these changes. What's happening right now here? Git status. Okay, we just committed all our changes because you see, git status not showing any difference. Let's check out main. I'm switching back to main, and now let's pull all the changes from remote repository. Git pull. All right, you see here, this file just updated. We can see up 3. You see, fixed some bug. Nice. Git log, what will show us? Fix it bug. The second one is because it's a merge. Okay, it's in my local repository. I have this commits. Let me switch back. Git branch. Okay, git checkout fix bug 1. And now what I want to do, if you execute git log, so you will see git log. I'm right now on version 1, version 2, and this one which I committed. So now I need to execute command git rebase main, and you see, successfully rebased and updated, blah 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 blah. Now git log, and you see, now I have the whole log. Version 1, version 2, fixed bug. So everything right now here. If I will cat up 3, you see, fixed some bug. Nice. So we can continue to work. Nano up 3, for example. Fixed some bug in this file. Okay. Fixed bug 1 in this file as well. This is message from developer 1. Git commit fixed bug 1, and git push it. Git push. Pushing it. It's there. Let's switch to here. You see, fix bug 1, compare and pull request. Create pull request. Okay, somebody going here. Look on this. Okay, this is what you did. Okay, you updated this file, fixed some bug here, and we fixed bug here. Yeah, good, nice. Yeah, all good. So yeah, we can merge it. It looks good. So pull request. We'll select this pull request and just, yeah, let's merge it. By the way, because it was few commits, what we can do is squash and merge. Maybe you didn't use it, squash and merge. It just create one commit and not few. Basically, squashing and merging. Because you see, this is a message for the one commit. So I can fix final fix bug 1. Ta-da! And deleting. Okay, let's go here. Let's git checkout main, git pull. Here we go. Git log final fix bug 1. One commit, only one commit. You see, you don't have this commit for like fixing bug. It's combined all my commits into the one. Alright, and this is it. Now we just need to delete our branch, fix back to, and as I told you, you can also use -d, but it's already deleted. Same we can do on Windows. I'm here, git branch, here git checkout main, and git branch -d fix back to. Then that's all. And this one also can execute git pull to get the latest versions. And some commands we used today. Basically all the commands which you already know. Just new command is git rebase main. Okay, see you in the next lecture. Bye bye.